trying to demonstrate here that having a meadow instead of mowed grass can have a lot of benefits. We don't have to just have riprap and grass. We can have these meadows along our streams, right? Be creating more habitat. They can actually even help reduce flooding because, again, they have those really deep roots, so they can help absorb that water. Yeah. The plant that we're going to be planting today, this Virginia mallow, it gets to be really tall, right? It also has a really deep root system. It's really good at holding the soil together. Yeah, absolutely. We're seeing a lot more insects, a lot more birds.